And your final ingredient is 1 cup of uncooked Mostaccioli noodles. Now I couldn't find Mostaccioli at the store, so I just got some penne noodles, which should work just fine because the only difference is penne has ridges on them and Mostaccioli has no ridges and is smooth. Just don't tell Mama because she'll have a fit.
Riccardo, fammi vedere I mostaccioli, devo essere sicura che non usi penne rigati.
Oh, Mama wants to see my noodles. I gotta cut these ridges off. Mama, of course I'm using the right noodles. Look.
Queste sono penne rigate. How you already screw it up? You haven't even started yet.
You want to saute this for about 10 minutes or until the meat is browned. Thank you, Mama. You saved the day again.
Don't screw it up again or you're gonna get the spoon.